People, welcome to the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now, till now the time say, in a Badman place, the person who get the most royal like funeral is the killy. The Don. If you tell you'd say, go turn teacher, go turn nurse, go turn engineer. Engineer funeral no big like the Don one. Engineer send off no mad like killy one. A nerd thing that. People are link me and say, look YouTuber, you want to see Hezzy funeral. You want to see Hezzy casket. Not even the great king of Zamunda. Man I say look YouTuber, Perry's bingo. Perry's a bingo long time after them 87 yeah. After them royal send off. Yeah. People are talk about Queen Elizabeth when time she dead. And her funeral, fear funeral a joke thing man. 87 funeral na Ironman, better than that. 87 funeral na Ironman, boasted than Queen Elizabeth funeral with Queen. Has to be studied. The man them bury Hezzy in something where not even the Egyptian fear get them. Man a look on in amazement. Come like man a saying can't wait to get film one. Can't wait to get film one. When Charmaine Ratchy and Joseph Lynch were killed, Clansman these 10 words enough people say. They can't even go to a funeral. Some people from some part of Spanish town were told you can't go to a funeral. I remember them like, at the time them still like make it look like a Charmaine Ratchy and Joseph Lynch. Next Scott dead. Them people are them make the general dead. So some people have to hide and go funeral. So you have to hide and go Charmaine Ratchy and Joseph Lynch funeral. We don't have to hide to go Hezzy funeral. Understand garrison culture, understand Badman culture, understand Badman place. This is why your favorite scholars in Winnipeg are not qualified to speak on Ironman. Even if your favorite scholars them in Ironman are qualified to speak on Badman culture. They don't understand it. Culture has to be understood before you can take it on. In Scotland, the man them wear one sit with them called kilt. To my eyes, it look like a skirt. To my eyes, that is a man in a skirt. To your eyes, that's a man in a skirt. Man I walk about in a skirt, that's to my eyes. As a Jamaican looking at a Scottish man in a kilt, that's a skirt. But the Scottish man will tell you that it's not a skirt and the man them will wear it are straight. And the man will wear it are not feminine. If you wear a kilt in Ironman, it have different implications from wearing a kilt in Scotland because that is not Ironman culture. So if we see our walk around that, we know what going. You are no Scotsman. Where they upon youth. However, a Scotsman I can tell you, this is our culture and it means this and it come from this and it symbolize this. And the man will wear it. Are masculine men. Many of them are soldiers, fight war and all kind of things. But if I was born and raised in Scotland or spend vast amounts of time studying Scottish culture, then I have a different outlook on the kilt. But to my eyes, that's a man in a skirt. The man come on me in a kilt. They're gonna say, yo dog, lift up. Where they upon? I'm gonna have a pause. Cause I might go tell you if you lift up or you might go lift up the skirt. You might get the wrong impression. So I'm gonna have a cancel a whole lift up thing there. When people see certain things in a Badman culture, Badman place, man from Winnipeg, man who have no understanding of the garrison culture, form quick conclusion. Just like how I would say, well, because I even wear that dress there, and because my sprat, same thing them do. They don't understand what they're looking at. Man from Winnipeg, enough man up at you, we don't understand badness culture and garrison culture. Them don't talk about data and research, but the data and the research clearly show the poverty is not the root cause of crime. It never has been. But they're on the outside looking all the way in. Just like me with the Scottish man them and then killed. So I see that man and say, yo, what that? Burn off. Scottish man is looking around like, what? What do you mean? None of these scholars from Winnipeg can tell you how a suffering, starving, have no means to provide for himself ghetto youth can bust the dearest gun, have the dearest lawyer, and when him dead get the dearest funeral with the dearest casket. In people them couldn't find lunch money for him go school, but them find the dearest package of Perry's have when him dead. In people them couldn't find the money to send him go art, to send him go down to the German school and then fix car. They couldn't send him go to them place there. Can't find it. But make them hear say him dead. The casket where him buried now. All Queen Elizabeth in her grave Badman. Cause she has said my thing never mad so. Perry's bingo again. It has to be studied. Guy from Winnipeg, you don't understand Ironman culture. You don't understand Garrison culture. Man who tell them pitney stay home. Cause me not have lunch money. And the following week you see him in a $30,000 all-inclusive party. And I be a picture him a post up. And I treat them on the pitney go to school cause they say, you know the money. No, the money on times hard. Irish Saxons find money for what they really love and care about. Wanna know about Ironman culture? Cannot find the money for one bully beef and 1 pound of rice. Cannot find that. If he go to his parents, them and they say, you know, say, more start this or more go there. Them say, yo, can't find that in the dog. All if for $20,000, you can't find. But anyhow him dead, down at the funeral home. Give me a $2 million package there. And if you ever try to show them one casket make out a board, then tell them about your mama. Yo, we are show that. This year I try this my family. Or we are give board casket. Me need something make out of glass. Me need something make out of frankincense and myrrh. Alright, money and casket I get make out of vibranium. Man them send off Hezzy like he was the great king of Zamunda. With the DJ say tap brothers, tap Zeeks. I've never heard about no tap teacher in my life. And then the youths them notice that when time I call out the Dana and I say, yo, them man they forget. When they say, yo, shut your mouth and mind your business. So hold on. The man them we are born out the Dan and the 87 and the crime. When say them fit dead. And then when say the Dan and the crime and the 87 them, when big them up. But then you are going to tell me, say, stay away from crime. Yo, stop confuse the Jamaican youths them. Stop confuse the Jamaican youths them. Them see when you tell the local YouTuber say, left it alone. Left the 87 alone, you're in farmer. Right, stop call man name. Stop Badman man. Then them here only say, tap Dodos, tap Zeeks, big up Tesha. Then only tell the youth say, stay away from crime and stay in school. You Irish Saxons have lost your minds. Make Irish Saxons sin again. You have lost your mind. You think Pitney a fool? Pitney say who idolize and who burn out. Pitney say who say. Man them we are call out Dodosh and Zeeks and Tesha in farm and if he dead. Pitney sit down in the room and hear on talk. When they on the veranda talk and I say, who them boy they in farm and left it down alone. Pitney hear them sitting there. And the next day I tell Pitney boy, yo, go school and get an education. And Pitney I say, I idiot man, you must be mad. Marchman top bank. That me depend. Now I tell youths about stay in school and do the right thing. On the volley right thing. On the idolize right thing. Do Do Aromanians idolize the right thing? Do Aromanians idolize the right way? They don't. Who are their idols? Just do a quick check. Who are their idols? But then you tell the youths them about stay in school and avoid the crime. Me hear you say the YouTuber boy who call out black man for dead and left him on alone. Me hear you say that. So why wouldn't I want to be that person you idolize? Why wouldn't I want to be like Dodos? Why wouldn't I want to go like Hezzy? Hezzy thing no normal. Hezzy thing no normal. That youth them I say. You're confusing the youths of Ironman. You tell them one thing and do the other. Them sit on analyze. Them hear on the born out in farmer. Them hear on the say, yo, left it alone than a real man. So the youth them want be real man too. Jamaican children hear them parents, them neighbor and everybody big up the killy them and burn out the man them we are call out the killy. Them hear them neighbor, them hear them family. I say Blackman and Hezzy are real general. And the boy Serpy will keep a call the man name for go suck him mama and dead. Because they depend on some nerd thing about crime for that. So why would the youth them want to be like the informer look at YouTube or anything? Why would they want to follow that path? Because they hear you about out that one and idolize that one. So why would they want to be like who you are born out? A nerd thing that. Stop confuse the youths them. Stop confuse the youths them. That's why I'm telling you, say the apple not fall far from the tree. Every day, Ironmanians get up and talk about them youth and them youth and them youth. Them nowadays youth are. That's the apple guy. You know fall far from the tree. Them youth see all the who not think them see and them hear all the who think them the hear. Remember what C4 say? They never want to go the nerd way. They never want to go the nerd way. C4 work for a big corporate company in Jamaica. This is steer from crime and nobody and don't take up bad. It's a lame thing. In America they call it a square. Nobody don't want to be a square. In the black community, the worst thing you can be is a square. Being a gunman is a lesser crime than being a square. If you're listening to me. In our community, being a nerd is a bigger sin than being a killy. Having 10 dope for your name is not as bad as being a nerd. And what is a nerd? Well, never go jail yet. Never go jail yet. Never get a charge. If one man have a dispute, he want to use reason. What kind of idiot this? You don't want to reason no situation. Dog will depend that man you that would depend. Nerd thing. But no one go the nerd way. Remember Papa video? He was being escorted like he was Nelson Mandela. You hear the man ball out. Papa thing no normal. He can't normal. Cause we see baby dead runner son and we know so much police escort how much is how much that. When termite are buried, I swear say. A Marcus Garvey. Marcus Garvey get less ratings in Iron Man than a regular gunman. Zeeks and Dodos have more man a big them up than Marcus Garvey. More youths want to be more like Zeeks and Dodos than Marcus Garvey. Your bad girl Kerosene is more idolized than Louise Bennett Cloverly. So why would any Jamaican girl want to be Louise Bennett Cloverly? That's lame. A nerd thing that. Oh, I say Louise Bennett, a real man of that. I know that them here. I know that them here. The blacker boy over here say, burn out the gang them and crush the gang them and you're saying if he did. So that don't make sense. Because if you really believe in a crushing the gangs and getting rid of crime, then you'd over that side there too. But instead you say, black man a real general. And you can't wait for him come on road. So go kill a little YouTuber and kill people like him. So why do I want to be like, oh, that means I must black man the thing there, because if it was really quote unquote evil, you wouldn't. I love it, because surely you wouldn't love evil. That must mean say a trick you try to trick me. Right? You try to use reverse psychology, so it's really over here, so you think there. Alright. Perry's bingo. There love to be a fly up on the wall in time Perry is 187 bed. 45 teeth start skin off. Bingo time. But I tell you, guy, business is business. And let me tell nobody if you spend their money. And he's right. You don't force nobody if you spend millions. Pan glass casket. Man, I do it. Remember the time I showed you the data? Armanians spend more on Bossy funeral and the government spend on security, health and education. Outspend the government on Bossy funeral. Has to be studied. Has to be studied. Patreon squad, big up on yourself, TIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, see you circling. Bless.